How to check if virtualization is on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to check if your virtualization is enabled or not, you'll need to open up your task manager. So go to the search option on your task bar and then search for task manager, open it up, and then what you need to do is you'll need to go to the three horizontal lines on the top left and you need to go to performance. And now uh, once you're there, you can see the virtualization option right here and you can see enabled. So this is how you can check if your virtualization is enabled or not. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.